Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would try something different on my channel and try out a sort of Halloween fall styles, which for me has to do with styling costumes and styling my dining table or my bar table for the holidays. So here I'm choosing to use a solid black tablecloth so that anything I place over top will actually pop against it. Feel free to use a seasonal themed one instead. And as you can see here, I'm struggling to make movie magic happen. But here I decided to use a fall pumpkin themed table runner over top. So just for the video, I added a Lazy Susan, flipped upside down to avoid the distracting colors on the other side. I go ahead and place my DIY pumpkin centerpiece. However, here I showcase 3 different ways you can style your own DIY pumpkin centerpiece. And because in my previous video, I realized that I never showcased the 3 different ways you can decorate it, because both A and B had nothing in the center and just had different tops, if that makes sense. Then for my Halloween one, I just replaced it with my Halloween Goth pumpkin centerpiece, and I grabbed 2 of these snake-wrapped pillars from the Dollar Tree's Plus section. And I did 2 of them paired with these glass tea light holders. I only used the faux tea lights, and I also put one for inside my pumpkin centerpiece. Then I just used my glass plate and bowl set, the same red charger, and a glass I also had on hand, all of these from the Dollar Tree. However, like with the fall version, you can also use a faux candle, a glass tea light holder with a faux candle if you like. Just be careful not to burn yourself if you use a real one. Or you can use the oil burner with the tea light underneath, and I go ahead and light that one up. Any of these would make great options for your centerpiece. Just be mindful if you have small kids or pets. And if you want to make the same exact thing, they have similar metal pumpkin decor pieces that you can buy off of Walmart. However, if you want to do only Dollar Tree products, then you can definitely do one of these options as centerpiece. And if Halloween isn't your thing, then feel free to decorate it in fall ribbon instead. So next is Halloween costume styling, and the first I had was for this bell-inspired Renaissance costume. Super easy. Mine is a white base dress with a sort of long dusty blue vest. Next up, I did a DIY goth costume look where I just gathered pieces from Amazon and then put it together to see if I liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you do something like this, but basically I tried things on together and put together what I liked best. I decided to pair it with a wig and watched some tutorials to figure out my own style of goth makeup. I recently saw this look on Shein, but I do avoid buying stuff off Shein just due to their chemicals in their clothing, so I chose to try to put something together from Amazon, and this is what I came up with. And last but not least, I do have to throw in an older version of a DIY styling idea. So I did a Dorothy Wicked Witch costume idea back in 2020 before I had my baby, so I was in better shape. And this costume is so easy to put together. Just you get 3 costumes in one by doing this, so highly recommend if you like the look. You can pair it with ruby slippers or Wicked Witch styled boots. So hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below which of these ideas was your favorite. So now I'm excited to announce that I am currently selling personally designed t-shirts based off of my upcoming book, The Cancer Dragon. If you were to ask me honestly, the idea for this logo came from my DIY Cancer Dragon wreath. To me, there's something to be proud of in becoming a Cancer Dragon Slayer, and I really hope my journey inspires you. These shirts were created with all of you in mind, and I was so happy with the design that I wanted to make it available for anyone who feels connected to this journey. The basic gist of it is, I became diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, got pregnant during fertility treatments, refused to abort despite my doctor's warnings that I'd die at birthing my child. For book updates or to support me, scan the code or click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.